How to share someone's Instagram reel to Facebook story. Start by opening the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Reels icon. This is the Instagram Reels page where you can explore and view Reels. If you want to share a reel from here, then tap on the share icon on the right. Here, you will find all the sharing options available. Tap on Add to Story. Here, tap on your story below to post this reel to your story. After posting, open the story again. Tap on More at the bottom right corner. Then, select Share to Facebook Story. After that, go back and open up the Facebook application. As you can see, the story has already been shared to your Facebook story as well. Following these steps, you can easily share someone's Instagram reel to Facebook story.